Well, hello. My name is Lindsay. Miguel is supposed to be here with me. He is not here today. He is on vacation. They call me Leonard. We call him Smeegs, and therefore Leonard and Smeegs. Well, video one. I'm super excited. I get to tell you guys about the main reason for all of this. Beginning with my weight loss challenge, I would like to lose 60 pounds. However long it takes, I'm going to stick to it as long as I have the support of my friends and strangers that I have never ever met in my life. And this is Dallas. You need to meet her. The biggest support that I have ever had in my life. She's beautiful. She gets to go to the groomers tomorrow because every time I try and groom her, the razor dies at her butt. So she is a royal mess. So obviously, I have friends in real life. Most of them are my Facebook friends. I do have people on my Facebook that I have probably never had an actual conversation with, ever. But the real reason why you people that I've never talked to are on my Facebook is either because you are in shape, or you are good parents to your children, or both. And I feel like you are an inspiration to me. So, it's wonderful if we've never talked, you're an inspiration. But something that people that I know in real life and have spoken to, they know about me is that I am very much an introvert. I would stay home and do absolutely nothing all day, every day, which is kind of how I became a chunkster. But I'm about to step out of my comfort zone here, and I'm going to be pretty much going everywhere, doing everything. I have a lot of friends that work out. I'm going to be going to their gyms, meeting up with them, working out in a different way every day. I don't want to have this boring life where I sit at home and I eat chips in front of the television. Yeah, it sounds great, but I'm not happy. And for those of you who don't know me, I am a very normal person. I come from a very small town in New Mexico. I work an average job. It's not 8 to 5, it's actually 6 in the morning till about 3 or 4 in the afternoon, so I have to wake up super bright and early. Unfortunately, that means there is no working out for me in the mornings. I am not that much of a morning person. But my job is, well, I work for FedEx, and so I am blessed with a very active lifestyle when it comes to my workplace, but I come home and I do absolutely nothing, and that is where I'm going wrong. Also, I'm not communicating with people, I don't go out, and I'm not having too much fun. So, an amazing experience. I'm very sorry that this first video is more boring and informational than it is fun and exciting, which our other videos are going to be. I'm also still trying to work out how to use a webcam, and it's not going very well. Anyways, that's all I really have to say today. Please subscribe to my channel. I need as much support as I can get. Leave your comments below. You know what? If you want to be mean to me, or don't. I really don't care. I'm doing this mostly for me and to try and help people that are going through the same challenges as me. So if you would kindly be kind, that would be wonderful. Again, subscribe, comments. Thank you guys so much for the support, and here we go, day one.